Hi children, how are you? I hope all are doing well.
Yes, ma'am. I am fine.
Today we will study first chapter of Math Magic NCERT book. आज हम मैथ मैजिक बुक का फर्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे. ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
हमने प्रीवियस सेशन में क्या देखा? हमने देखा कि कितने चैप्टर्स हैं और कौन कौन सा चैप्टर हमें पढ़ना है. ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
आज हम फर्स्ट चैप्टर शेप्स एंड स्पेस की स्टडी करेंगे. इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल स्टडी फॉलोइंग कंसेप्ट. फर्स्ट, इनसाइड आउटसाइड, बिगर स्मॉलर, बिगेस्ट स्मॉलेस्ट, टॉप बॉटम, नियर farther, on under, above below, shapes around us, sorting, rolling, sliding, and different type of shapes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
By using story, activity और डायग्राम के द्वारा हम शेप एंड स्पेस को समझेंगे. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Today we will discuss first chapter. What is the first chapter? Chapter's name is shapes and space. Okay? Let's understand inside outside concept. Okay? What is the title of a story? Title of a story is Arav and his camel. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
How come we will understand inside outside concept? Answer is by using story of Arav and his camel. Okay? So first we learn Arav and his camel story. तो पहले हम आरव और उसके कैमल की स्टोरी को रीड करते हैं. ओके? ओके बच्चों?
Yes, ma'am.
प्लीज ओपन फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक and read a story with me loudly. Okay? Look at first sentence. What is written here? Look at first sentence. What is written here? It is Arav and his camel. Please read with me.
Okay, ma'am.
The Arav and his camel. This is Arav and this is camel. It was a cold winter day. The Arab was traveling on the camel back. At night, the Arab pitched his tent. This is tent. What is this? This is tent. Okay. And went inside it. The camel was outside. Okay, children. Now look at this picture, children, and tell me where is Arab and where is camel. Answer is Arab is inside the tent and camel is outside the tent. Okay. What did the camel say? Camel said, may I put my neck inside? It is too cold outside. What was said by camel? Camel said, may I put my neck inside? It is too cold outside. Okay. Then what was said by Arab? Arab said, okay. Arab said, okay. You may put your neck inside. Now, now I am going to next page. Okay. After this, again, camel said. After this, again, camel said. What was said by camel? Camel said, may I put my front legs inside? It is too cold outside. What was said by camel? Camel said, may I put my front legs inside? It is too cold outside. Okay? Then, then what did the Arab say? Arab said, okay. What was said by Arab children? Arab said, okay, you may put your front legs inside. What did the Arab say? Arab said, okay, you may put your front legs inside. Okay? Look at this picture, children. Where is camel and where is Arab? In this picture, Arab is inside the tent and camel half body is inside the tent. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
After this situation, camel said, what was said by camel? Camel said, can I come inside? It is too cold outside. Here, what did the camel say? Children, camel said, can I come inside? It is too cold outside. Okay. Then what was said by Arab? Arab said, oh no, the tent is too small for both of us. Here, what did the Arab say? Arab said, oh no, the tent is too small for both of us. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
After this situation, what was said by camel? Children, camel said, so I am coming inside and you go outside. What did the camel say, children? Camel said, so I am coming inside and you go outside. After that, camel goes inside the tent and Arab goes outside the tent. Okay, look at this picture, children. Here, Arab is outside the tent and camel is inside the tent. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
in next video, we will discuss meaning of this story. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am going to stop this session. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
See you soon in next video. Okay, bye बच्चों.